Advocate Shalina, going to take place through the ballot box? Or is it going to be a bloody fight on the streets? The worry is that as you expand, you will become a threat to both the parties, particularly to the LDF. Are you also worried that as you go ahead, there will be a potential for a bloody conflict between the rising BJP and an entrenched left?
Obviously, because as I've told, the political ideology of communists is always intolerant. They are always anti-establishment. They believe in class war. They are prone to violent protests. If it is for an issue or if it is against science and technology, if it is tractor or if it is the computers. So we expect that once we grow, there will be such a kind of violence from the hands of. And I'm sure this electoral or this elections will bring about a great change, and the people of Kerala will change from left to the rightful right. That is NDA, BJP-led NDA.
No, but let's be also clear. Your goal in this election is not to topple the left or to topple the UDF. Your is to grow.
Yes,
I mean, from one MLA, you're not suddenly going to capture power in Kerala overnight.
Exactly. But we are sure that even if we expand from 1 to 3 or 4 or 5, that is going to give such kind of goosebumps, or they will be so intolerant or restless on that, and they will start their violence on us. So that is the kind of experience that we have had in Kerala.
You know, Mr. Sampath, you called the other parties, one party a fixed deposit of the BJP. In turn now, the BJP is saying you're intolerant. Now, the fear is that left over the years has had a sort of dominant space in parts of Kerala. And you do not want to relinquish that dominant space, because then nothing else will be left in any other part of the country. So you will do whatever it takes to retain that space, including violence.
It is not very curious to hear from a party, a political party, which is very much intolerant in the Constitution of India and the constitutional values of India, and a party which always want to demolish the constitutional structure of India and misuse, as Professor K.V. Thomas has said, even the constitutional bodies of India, and unleash the central agencies to any extent to capture power and to topple the governments and to with malified intention. In the recent assembly election, which is we are going to face, the LDF is before the people with the development, the policies, the programs, and the achievements. What we have stated in the election manifesto, and which we have been able to do so far. We are not saying that election manifesto is a comedy, just like one of the former heads of BJP in Kerala. Anyway, he is now an honorable governor in a northeastern state. He has openly stated that the election manifesto is only a comedy, nobody is seriously discussing about it. But we say to you that it's a serious document, and you see what we have stated and what we have declared and what we have been able to achieve. During the last 5 years, 2 floods, one Oki, a Nipah virus, then an Ebola virus. And we are still traveling through a tunnel. At the end, we don't know when we will reach, we will fulfill the journey. Not even a single star is shown at the end of the tunnel. We are fighting the COVID-19 also. With the people's participation, we are doing that. And we are very much confident that we will, anyway, the Kerala will be again, the left Democratic Front will win this assembly election, and we will come back to power again. We will continue.
You are hoping to win the election on your 5-year track record, on the performance of your chief minister, on your manifesto. The BJP, on the other hand, is promising change in Kerala and hoping that that change will take it from 1 to at least 5 seats as part of this gradual process of expansion. Professor Thomas, at the very end to you. Your one-time party president, Rahul Gandhi, is an MP from Kerala.
Yeah.
Is this a make or break election in that sense for the Congress? If you were to lose Kerala and break with the cycle of governments changing every 5 years, will that lead, you fear, to an influx from your party, or an exodus rather, from your party to the BJP? Is that a fear, that this is a make or break election for the Congress in Kerala?
So that I do agree with you. This is for us do or die.
Do or die.
Die. That's Congress party is do or die. And that is why we are fighting against both BJP and CPM together. That is a big task we have got. As I said, in other states we are going together with CPM.